Hello, welcome to the HackFS demo of the Geo Web project. The Geo Web is a new type of web experience that's navigated by geolocation. On the Geo Web, as you move through the world with a smart device, content is discovered and served based off your physical location. It can function like a metaverse covering Earth's surface. Potential use cases span from simple notifications and data feeds to augmented reality. Our digital land registry and Harburger smart contract are built on Ethereum. Content for our demo is stored and retrieved with IPFS, but naturally we could also support a Filecoin integration. Our digital land registry is the DNS of the Geo Web, but instead of domain names, it maintains land parcel ownership. Digital land parcels are NFTs. They grant the owner the exclusive right to anchor content within their boundaries. The Harburger smart contract administers the Geo Web's digital land market. A Harburger tax is a market structure with two basic rules. First, property owners pay a tax based off the self-assessed value of their property. Second, anyone can force a sale by paying the owner's self-assessed property value. It's an elegant way to administer a market with minimal centralization. It also has the nice side effect of generating tax revenue that can be used to support the network and other public goods. Here we have our demo registrar UI. You can go check it out yourself at geoweb.eth. We're using MetaMask for user ID and wallet functionality. Land parcels claimed in the registry show on the map as markers. I actually own the land out here in Denver, so let's go check that out first. This is the detailed view that you'll see when you click on a land parcel that you own. The items of note are the owner assessed value and the CID of linked content. Both are editable here. You can also click through on the CID to see the content. In this case, it's a draft of the Geo Web white paper. Check it out if you're interested in learning more. Now we're looking at a parcel that I don't own. Here, the linked content is the COVID-19 policy for a restaurant. We'll come back to that in our next demo. Someone else owns this land currently. That means I can't place content inside the parcel boundaries shown here in red. It's similar to property rights in the real world, but I can always buy the land on the Geo Web. I just have to set my new price and submit the transaction. Note that the previous owner only gets paid their self-assessed price, not mine. And finally, let's claim a new parcel of land. We're using a single geohash to define land for now, so I can just double-click anywhere on the map to pick my parcel. I set my value, associate some content, and claim the parcel. We didn't set a minimum claims value here, but in a production system, we do auctions or have a claim fee. Now that my transaction has gone through, I'm the proud owner of some more Geo Web real estate. Let's walk through a simple Geo Web user experience. We're going to simulate walking up to the restaurant that we saw in the last demo. The owner of this land parcel, presumably the restaurant owner, has decided to link their COVID-19 policy on the Geo Web. As we enter the land parcel, we get a push notification, and content is automatically resolved on our phone and watch browser apps. Next, let's walk over to a nearby park. What's there? A picture of a cat on a bench. Why not? GeoWeb users don't need to take any extra action other than moving throughout their day to discover useful content that they might not have even known existed. These aren't siloed apps. They're all part of a unified, open web experience. We started with simple text and image content, but as the GeoWeb ecosystem matures, new schemas and browsers can be developed to support any digital experience that builders can imagine. Finally, let's go back to the restaurant and see our COVID-19 information to close the loop on the demo. In isolation, these use cases may seem trivial and can be accomplished with other methods, but as you zoom out to the network level, the value of the GeoWeb's open, frictionless experience becomes apparent. Smartphones put the internet in our pockets. Smart glasses and the next generation of smart devices will put the internet in our field of view, and it will radically change our relationship to it. We're building the GeoWeb for this future, and it's grounded in our user-first ethos and Web3 technology. On top of that, we believe we can structure the network economics to support public goods and pro-social aims. Thank you for taking the time to check out the GeoWeb. We look forward to any feedback and questions you may have.